Assert proposition is coming under which clause? Combinatorial assertion. Okay, and so far what are all the classes we have seen? Single cycle, two cycle, n cycle, and even based, and now combinational assertion. Okay, then normally what we'll look at these parameters, right? So what are all the extra things here? Nothing, right? Basic four things: severity level, property type, message, and coverage level, right? Okay, now we're going to see about the syntax of this assert proposition. Look at here we are simply overriding the parameters of this assert proposition. Okay, then instance name, reset and text expression, all those things, right? Okay, now come to these parameters. All are same, but default severity level will be ovl error, default property type ovl assert, default message is violation, and default coverage level is ovl cover all. Now here we have only reset, and we don't have any clock. Look at here, combinatorial assertion, and since it is combinatorial assertion, no need of clock, right? The next assertion checker monitor we are going to discuss is assert quiescent state. Okay, so this is coming under which clause? Yeah, two cycle assertion. Okay, two cycle assertion. Here what are the parameters? Severity level, property type, message, coverage. These are a normal thing. Here the extra thing, this is an extra parameter, right? Okay, so width of the state expression, and check the value value of that argument, right? The default value of width is 1. Okay, now look at here, the port list are changing here. Clock reset or global signal, but three things are new in this assertion monitor checker, right? First one is state expression, second check value, and the third sample event, right? Getting this one? Assertion we are going to discuss here is assert win change. Here win means window. Okay, assert window change. Okay, now this is coming under which clause? Event bounded assertion. Look at here, event bounded assertion. Okay, now what are all the parameters? Property, severity, message, coverage. These are all as usual, and width is the extra one. Okay, now what will happen? Width, normally width means what? Width will indicate the text expression width. Okay, so now look at here the syntax. In syntax, module name is assert win change, instance name we can write user defined instance name we can give. Okay, then here we have ports. What are all the ports? Start event, end event, text expression. Okay, now as I said earlier, width indicates the text expression argument width. Okay, now start event means expression that opens an window, and end events means expression that closes a window. And what is this test expression? Test expression that should change value in the event window. So we are having two events, start event and end event, to indicate the window. Okay, so during that window our test expression should change. Okay, so if it is changed means assertion is paused, but if it is not changed during that interval, then we can say assertion is failed. Okay, next, assert window. This assert window is coming under the class of event bounded assertion. Okay, event bounded assertion. Now what will happen? Assert window, severity level, instance name, clock, reset, event, start event, test expression, end event, the same thing. Okay, now what it will going to do? Start event, the same explanation. Start expression that opens an event window, expression that closes an event window. Okay, text expression that should be true in the event window. Next one. Okay, so the next this is an output for output of the model sim waveform window. okay, if you are running on assertion, okay, your output will be like this. Okay, look at here. Here you can display like this: message is equal to assert always violation. Here simply what assertion we have used? We have used assert always. Okay, assert always. What's our test expression? Count, message, error, ovl fatal, ovl coverage level. So these are all okay. So you will get this kind of window. Okay. Okay, so based on that, if the assertion failed, it will show you the message, and even you can see the assertion pass and failure in the transcript window. Okay.